Hey, welcome back to your 10-day Yin Yoga Challenge, and congrats for making it to day 8. I invite you to raise your right arm up like this, lean forward and give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, well done you for making it this far. Let's start with grounding. You're welcome to sit in any comfortable pose that feels good for you. And if it feels good, you're also welcome to close your eyes. And maybe lengthen your spine, drop your shoulders. Relax your jaw and your eyes. And just being very present with any smells, any sounds around you. Being the observer of your environment. And now bring awareness to your breath, observing every breath in and every breath out. And I invite you to set an intention for this practice. It could be one word or one phrase. For instance, it might be peace, patience, resilience, being present, self-love, forgiveness, slowing down. Whatever that pops into your mind, set an intention for this practice right now. And repeat your intention mindfully, internally, and with meaning 3 times right now. And gently open the eyes. So the pose we'll be exploring today is called a twisted deer pose. And let's start first by placing your legs in front of you like this. Okay, if you do have props with you, you can place a bolster vertically behind your back, just like this. Okay, or maybe you use 1 or 2 pillows. Okay, if you don't have any props with you, I will instruct you in a moment. Okay, so from here, okay, placing your feet and your knees together, knees bent. Okay, place your knees down to the right side of your body, just like this. Okay, maybe the knees are stacked on top of each other, or maybe you bring your left knee back, so the right foot facing your left thigh. And then begin to twist and turn to your right. Okay, so you may need to readjust your bottom and the props that you're using. And then begin to hug your prop. You can place your right ear down, or if you'd like a deeper twist, you can place your left ear down. Okay, if you need extra height, you can place extra pillows on top. Now, if you don't have any props, okay, all you simply do is place your palms down. So where you were before, okay, you bring the knees down to your right, turn and twist to your right, and place your palms down. Okay, so you're welcome to stay here. If it's comfortable, you can rest your forearms down or place your forehead down. And just relax your shoulders. Okay, maybe you close your eyes. And relax your eyes. Okay, this pose here activates your parasympathetic nervous system, supporting your mind and body to feel more calm and at ease. Okay, it's a great pose to go to when you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or anxious, creating more spaciousness. Physically, it supports to improve your posture, strengthens your spine, and increases the mobility and flexibility of your back. It massages your stomach, aids digestion, and alleviates cramping. I invite you to be aware, mindful, and conscious of your breathing. Observe any tension or tightness in your body. And with every exhale, can you simply let it go, allowing the tension and tightness to melt away. And now take your time to gently come out of the pose in any way you like. If you'd like to, you can bring the knees and feet together in front of you. And just move the knees side to side. And we'll begin to twist the other side. Okay, so placing the knees and feet together in front with the prop still vertically behind your back. We'll now place the knees down to the left side of the body. Okay, maybe the knees are stacked on top of the other, just like this. Or maybe you bring the top knee back. Left foot facing your right thigh. Now turn and twist to your left. So readjust the prop here as much as you need to and begin to lie down. You can hug your prop, left ear or right ear on the prop. Okay, if you don't have props with you, that's fine. Instead of hugging the prop, you'll just place your palms down and you either stay here or place your forearms down and rest your forehead down. Okay, so maybe you're directly straight, okay, or maybe you're leaning towards your right. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just tune into what feels good for your body. And tune into the needs of your body right now and do what feels good. Okay, coming back to trust. Okay, trusting what feels good for you and trusting what your body needs. Our bodies are talking to us all the time. Through symptoms, through sensations, through pain and discomfort. And it's just a matter of listening to our bodies. And now just taking your time to come out of the pose. You're welcome to place your feet and knees in front. And if it feels good, you can move your knees side to side. Okay, maybe you decide to remain still and observe any subtle or strong sensations in your body. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow for day 9 of your 10-day Yin Yoga Challenge.